In this video, I will show you a simple way to clean up your Gmail account. Are you getting a message that your Gmail is filled up and you won't be able to receive any other message in your email because of that? This video will guide you on how to clean up the spaces in your Gmail account so that you can still be able to receive email messages on your Gmail account. To do that is simple. Simply go to your Gmail box. Then when you've opened your Gmail account, navigate to this place where you have your picture or any picture you may have added. Click on this manage space. Then when you've clicked on that, scroll down. Of course, they will give you an option of subscribing for a monthly fee. If you wish to opt in for that, you can still do that. But just scroll down to this very place where you have clean up space. Click on it. Then once you've clicked there, scroll down. You will see the spaces being occupied by the documents or the files that gets into your mail. From there, you can simply click and delete the unwanted messages you do not need on your email. For instance, here we have 1 gig space being occupied by the messages on my email account. For my photos and videos, I have 1 gig. Other large drive files like 525 MB and the rest of them. I can simply click here to actually delete some of the things I do not need on my email. I can just select, scroll down, and just the particular one you do not need. The moment you locate the particular one you do not need, for instance, let's say I want to delete this, you can just click on this delete, and by this it will ask you, this will permanently delete emails and attachments. And just tick this and select permanent delete. By this, you are cleaning up the spaces in your Gmail account. By the time you are done, you will discover that you've created enough space for you to use on your email. Follow these simple steps and you will clean up some of the spaces in your Gmail account, and you use your account freely for whatever purpose you wish to use it for. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do come back to watch other videos in my channel.